Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are requesting Allah for our parents because parents are the blessings of Allah. They help us, they look after us, they give everything what we need from the childhood. So we have to request Allah for them also, and we have to be obedient to them. We have to follow what they say. So it's very important for us in order to get the blessings of Allah. Because the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that a person in paradise, when his status is increased or enhanced, so he requests Allah, how my status has been improved. So Allah says to him that your son requested in a dua for you, so I blessed the higher status for you because of dua that has been done by your son. So children should request Allah dua for the parents, so Allah is ready to increase the status in the paradise, to forgive the sins of the parents. So the children should request Allah. It is very important in our life. If we do it, our children will also do for us. So we have to read this dua which is in Holy Quran, ayat number 24 of Surah Bani Israel. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Rabbir hamhuma, O my Lord, O my Allah, have mercies on them, on both of them. It means both parents. I request your mercies on my both of parents, mom and dad. Kama rabbayani, as they brought me up. Saghira, when I was small. Rabbir hamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. O my Allah, O my Lord, have mercies on both of them, both my parents, mom and dad, as they brought me up when I was small. So we have to request this dua for our parents. So inshallah, our parents' status in the paradise will improve, and Allah will forgive the sins of them, and Allah's blessings will fall on the parents. So we have to request this one for our parents, and we must be obedient to our parents so that our this life and the life hereafter should be better. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.